Hello, today I'm going to show you our single print hand sander. This can be used on drywall or wood, plastic. I wouldn't suggest metal for obvious reasons. When you first print this, you'll have to remove support here, 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 and here. And you have to use a screwdriver to pry this part loose, a small screwdriver, flathead. Then you'll be able to press forward and we'll raise this section and this section. And you'll be able to place sandpaper on by pressing forward and sliding the sandpaper underneath. This can be like so, and then releasing will clamp. And then you do the same to this side by pressing forward again on the button. This can be a little tedious, but it will go in. It's important that you get it underneath, otherwise it will pull out when you're trying to sand with it. Once you get it underneath, you release. Make sure both sides are all the way forward. And then you'll be able to sand, and it will work as a tool. And that's our single print hand sander. For this and more projects, check out 3dprojectsfortomorrow.com. Thank you.